Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put up medium-length hair. First, let's master the classic ponytail. Gather all your hair at your desired height, ensuring no bumps. Secure it tightly with a strong hair tie. For a polished look, take a small 1-inch section of hair from underneath the ponytail. Wrap this section around the hair tie to conceal it, then secure the end with a small bobby pin. This simple trick elevates your everyday style in just a few moments. Next, let's create an elegant half-up, half-down style. Begin by parting your hair horizontally from ear to ear across the crown of your head. Gather the top section, ensuring it's smooth and free of tangles. You can secure this with a small elastic band or twist it into a half bun. This versatile look keeps hair out of your face while showcasing your length, perfect for both casual and formal occasions, taking less than 2 minutes. For an effortlessly chic look, try the messy bun. Start by gathering your hair into a high ponytail, but don't secure it fully. Twist the hair loosely, then coil it around the base of where your ponytail would be. Secure with a second hair tie, letting a few strands fall naturally for that perfectly undone vibe. This style is ideal for busy days or a relaxed evening out, offering comfort and style in about 60 seconds. Finally, let's explore a simple braided up doe. Part your hair down the middle, creating 2 equal sections. Braid each section loosely, securing the ends with small clear elastics. Now, take one braid and wrap it across the back of your head, pinning it securely. Repeat with the second braid, tucking its end under the first. This elegant style is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication, taking about 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.